Nke a bụ akụrụ ụnọ. Ndị Igbo ibe m, kedu mgbe unu ga-amata ihe? Igbos, when will you learn? This is massive building setup in Zion City for the 100 days at Ngo Akbala in Imo State. Over 60 units of duplex, two-story building for that matter, in our own land, in Ngo Akbala, Imo State. But our people out there in Lagos, we go to trade fair and build plaza. We go to island and build plaza, and go to inland and build plaza. I don't know what is wrong with the Igbo people. You are developing another man's land where you are not welcomed. Just few days ago, you saw how they demolished almost all Igbo's properties. Look at what our brother, my own very brother and prophet evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing. Can we start counting? Over 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is over 60 units of two-story duplex. This is a welcome development. How I wish our people will learn. This is under 1 year. This construction has not lasted up to a year. But look at how massive it is. Igbos, can we come back to our place and develop our own? Let's develop our land. There's no gain, there's no profit in developing another man's land. Zion Ministries has shown us the way. They have shown us the way. Let's follow this pattern, this footstep, bringing the wealth, bringing the development to our own land, in Igbo land. Biafrans, rise. The Igbos, arise. Let us go back home and fix our home. The same people that sold that piece of land to you will come back in 5-10 years to tell you that you built in an illegal place, that it was never approved. They will ensure they suck you dry and make sure you come back home with nothing. Igbos kunienu. Kaibura akwa enatono. Let's develop our own. The